This song features two main chord patterns. On the verses, we'll start in a C major, C, E, G, for one measure. Go up to an E minor, E, G, B, for one measure. Down to a D major, D, F sharp, A, for two measures. In one hand, that chord progression could look like this. 2, 3, 4. Start on C. Go to E minor, then to D. 2 times. In two hands, the verse pattern could look like this. 2, 3, 4. C major, E minor, D major. Repeat. The chorus pattern begins on G major, G, B, D, goes to D major, D, F sharp, A, then A minor, A, C, E, and up to a C major, C, E, G. In one hand, the chorus pattern could look and sound like this, starting on G major, 1, 2, D major, A minor, C major. Repeat. A minor, C major. In two hands, that chorus pattern beginning on G major could look like this, 2, 3, 4.